Hello, students. Good morning. Hope you all are learning well at your homes. And before I start our today's topic, let me show you some pictures. You can see on your screen. Here it is. Can you identify her? Who is she? She has a boxing gloves in her hands. Very familiar photo. You can see she is a boxer. This you can easily understand. And here you can see her face, and you can recognize her. Here you can see she is having a photograph with the popular film star Amitabh Bachchan, and here you can see she is clearly visible. So I hope up to the now you could recognize her. She is none other than Mary Kom. Yes, the great Indian boxer lady Mary Kom. She has won a number of medals for our country, and she make the country proud. So today we are going to study about this Mary Kom, and the topic is Magnificent Mary. So, as you see that achieving success should not means the writer says the what is the secret to achieve success? What is the secret of achieving success? Here you can see I'm reading. What is the secret to achieving success? We lose we lose hope when we face difficulties. Many a times when difficult time comes, many of us lose hope when the difficult time comes. When any kind of problems come in our life, then they then we let us read this inspiring story of Mary Kom, an Indian boxer whose journey was full of difficulties. Means it is saying that the Indian boxer Mary Kom, his life was full of difficulties, full of problems, but who succeeded due to her hard work and determination. But he got success because of the hard work and determination. Determination, what determination? Determination means firm willpower. When you decide that I will do it, then you will remain firm, steady, that yes, I will do it, I will certainly do it. This is called determination. So let's find out what is there in the chapter. Mary Kom is a name that stands for patience and hard work. Mary Kom is the name that stands for patience and hard work. मैरी काम का जो नाम है that comes for patience. Patience means when you are not overexcited. When the time is not good, then you keep calm and wait for the chance. That is called patience and hard work. A five-time world boxing champion, Mary Kom, here it is giving the information. A five-time world boxing champion. Mary Kom was a five-time world boxing champion. Mary Kom has fought battles, and not only in the boxing ring but also in her personal life. She was not fighting in the boxing ring, she was also fighting in her personal life. Means, however, Mary overcome all the hurdles and achieved much more than many of us possibly dream of. She is a five-time world champion. Also, she had many personal many problems in the family. Okay, but Mary overcome all these hurdles. Hurdles means these problems, these restrictions, these difficulties that comes in the way. That these are the hurdles. So Mary overcome all the hurdles and achieve much more than many of us possibly dream of. And she achieved more than what many of us dream. Only people can dream that things he achieved despite her personal problems in the family and the challenges. It's not so easy to be a world champion. World is very big and lot of people are there. And lot of people are doing that much of work. So this is what the story that tells you about the determination, the courage, the willpower of the great Indian boxer Mary Kom. So Mary Kom basically, like many other sports person, Mary Kom's success is an inspiration, but it becomes even more meaningful when we consider her background. से देखा जाए तो देर आर नंबर ऑफ स्पोर्ट पर्सन्स हु आर आइडियल हु अचीव्ड सक्सेस फॉर इंडिया बट इन द केस ऑफ मैरी कॉम इफ यू सी द background means from where they belong to, the kind of atmosphere from where they come, so that is called background. So Mary Com's background was also not good. Okay, the family was poor. Okay, Mary Com was born on 1st March in 1983 in a tribal community in the classes-ridden state of Manipur. Here you can see she was born in 1983 in a state of Manipur. Her full name was Mangte Chengjang Mary Com. Her full name was her full name is what? Mangte Changnijang. Mangte Changnijang Mary Com. These are Manipuri names. Okay, so maybe a bit difficult for you to pronounce, but it's not that difficult. Her parents were poor. How were her parents? Poor. Her parents were poor farmers and worked hard in the fields. Can you see? Can you imagine? A farmer's daughter whose parents were working in the fields. She is a 5-time world boxing champion. Now you can see, as the eldest of her siblings, Mary took care of them. Here you can see farmers and worked hard in the fields. As the eldest of her siblings, Mary took care of them from a very young age. उसके जो भाई बहनों में सबसे बड़ी जो मैरी थी वो उन सब लोगों की देखभाल करती थी. She took care of all of them. Moreover, she used to help her parents earn their livelihood by working in the fields and cutting wood after school hours. So she was not only helping the siblings, but also many a times she was cutting the woods and working in the fields to help the family to earn the livelihood. Livelihood means the daily bread, the daily food. Poor people, they need to daily earn, and then they get the enough money to get a food for themselves. So this is what it is. Just like to tell you that it's very meaningful to, you can see that how a person can fight with the difficulties and become great. So Mary Kom is such an example. Mary was extremely interested in playing different kinds of sports during her school days. Mary was very fond of playing different kind of games. She liked games very much. She initially participated in several athletic events. Okay. So in this way, here we have read this chapter, read this page of this chapter, Magnificent Mary, and we have uh, read up to here. Now here, what I am going to give you some questions after this video, that you will send answers in the work group. All right, thank you.